I'll be honest, this might be one of the craziest care packages I've ever gotten in my entire sneaker career, and this is insane, man. So this is a super rare pair because this is not a pair that released publicly. This has the Slam branding on the side, and it does say 30 years. So this is in celebration of 30 years of Slam, and you have a Nike black box here, and inside of it is pretty incredible. So here's a little preview. I had to pull out the LeBron jersey for this video. I got this one, I believe, like during his rookie season, so the jersey's pretty old. Anyway, here's a shoe, dude. I don't even know what to say. Still speechless that I have a pair of these, and shout out to the homie Nick for like blessing me up on this one. This is just definitely one of those ones that I saw the pictures and I was like, I see Cousteau, I think, had him, and I was like, man, like I really like that pair. And this is the Zoom Generation 1 LeBron Slam collaboration. Again, 30 years of Slam, and obviously, I mean, pretty speechless. It's a really beautiful shoe, and the way they actually like designed the shoe and the details that they put into it is next level for anything that you see usually in like releases and stuff. First of all, the laser etching across the side panel here in the black is nuts. There's so much details on there, and you can see a lot of those details on top of here as well. It has tons of information on here. It says Slam King 23 330 Akron, Ohio, which is where LeBron is from. It says chosen, and I'm a Nike guy, and Slam Magazine logos, Air Zoom, the LeBron logo, hype, the LeBron line logo, just all sorts of crazy details, which is fun that they have that added on there. On the back, you could see it actually says Slam here, embroidered, and then on one shoe it has the Slam logo on the S embroidered, and then on the other shoe it has the LeBron James logo, the L23. The insole features 30 years of Slam Magazine, and then I love the peel off back here. So this is like a section on the back that you peel off and it reveals the chrome. Honestly, it just needs to be peeled off. It looks amazing. Now I'll link an article in the description of the video from Nick DePaula over at Slam, and he goes into great detail about everything about this pair. So just so you guys know, the LeBron line is not 30 years old yet. Obviously, Slam Magazine is 30 years old, and so because of that, they're highlighting different players and different sneakers that made the hoop culture the way it is. So you can see the inspiration is the LeBron on the cover of this Slam Magazine, and that's why they have the Zoom Generation 1s, but they have other models as well with other covers that inspired them, including a Foamposite one, which looked really crazy as well. So there's a bunch of different Easter eggs that are featured on the shoe. One of them, it says, since the beginning on the reverse side of the tongue, which is a nod to the cover of the magazine, and it said it's only the beginning. The red and black color of this is actually a callback to the original cover shoot of the Slam magazine, where LeBron is actually wearing the red velour pants, so it's kind of like a nod to that. There are also a few different names that were floated around originally when they created the shoe. Like Air King James was actually an option in the very first email that proposed the rush timeline to design and develop the shoe in order to make the December launch. So Jeff Johnson is actually one of the designers for Nike, and in their internal development system at Nike, they entered the name Air Zoom Normal, which is LeBron backwards, and that's the Nike development Easter egg name that they had for LeBron because he wasn't officially signed to Nike at the time, so they called it Normal. Also, like it says, I'm a Nike guy. That's what LeBron said when he signed back in May 22nd, 2003. You also see Chosen 1 and LeBron 23 logo and the King 23. And all the silver accents on the shoe are actually a nod to the Hummer H2 that LeBron was gifted, was super controversial back in the day. Nowadays, it wouldn't even be a thing. But back then, it was crazy controversial to be getting gifts like that from brands. Also, the placement of the swoosh from the front to the collar was a pretty big deal as well. In Aaron Cooper's original design of the Zoom Generation, it actually has a picture of the swoosh back here instead. So they made that as a nod to the original mock-up. Anyways, there's so many different details about these shoes that it is incredible, and Slam did an amazing job. The storytelling is next level, and feels super blessed up to be able to have a pair of these. And as you can see in the video, I'm throwing them right on feet. It's definitely a personal pair that I'm very thankful to get. And man, again, big thank you to Nick for allowing me to share the greatness with the release of these. I mean, check out the back. Without that like thing back, these are just incredible, man. And I'm definitely peeling these off, and look at that chrome. It looks so good. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel and you guys want to watch more of the content. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Thanks again for watching. All right, peace, guys.